Welcome back guys, Ben from Flow Brackets. If you haven't already watched our front install video, go and watch that first. But today we're installing some new number plates onto this beautiful SL400. Now the customer has picked up some brand new plates like that, and this isn't the correct bracket or holder to fit this number plate. So I'm going to show you how to get that done. Let's start by removing this oversized holder very carefully. Should just be the 4 screws that go into the 4 Mercedes hole pattern that you'll find on every Mercedes since the 1970s. So this is a typical Mercedes rear 4-hole pattern, and if you were running slimline plates, you would need an adapter first to adapt to those 4 holes, followed by your number plate bracket. But in this case, we're putting on some standard plates, and that 4-hole bolt pattern is already built into our bracket, so you won't require an adapter. You can just bolt this straight on. The last step is to get your number plate onto the bracket, and you can option security screws or anti-theft fittings just like this customer. All you'll need to do is bolt it on to the 4 holes in the 4 corners. And that's how you put on a fresh set of standard size number plates onto the back of a SL400. Now, if you haven't already checked out our front installation video, click on the link below.